This is episode number 33 on testing the properties we learned under compound angle. So given that the expansion for the sum of sine is given to us, that of the subtraction, which the difference is given, we have to show that the sine of 60 plus the theta, sine of 60 minus theta is equals to the root of 3 cos theta. So what do? Let's take it one by one. We are not going to repeat this. We only pick the sine of what? 60 plus what? Theta, which is the first thing we have here. And that should be equals to the sine of the first angle, 60, the cos of the second angle, theta, then plus the cos of the first angle, 60, and times the sine of the second angle, theta, by that expansion. Then for the sine of 60 minus theta also, based on the same thing, is the sine 60, the cos theta minus cos 60 sine what? Theta. Alright, you have to have this mental calculation here. We are adding the sine 60 plus theta to the sine 60 minus theta as we have been given here. So the first one plus second one, meaning this expansion plus that expansion. I can see sine theta cos theta, sine theta cos theta. When I add these two, I should be having, okay, let's see, sine 60 plus theta plus sine 60 minus theta. That will give us 2 of the sine 60 cos what? Theta. That's the first one. That is adding sine 60 cos theta together. We get 2 of that. Then cos 60 sine theta. Cos 60 sine theta. Positive, negative. So that one is gone. Completely. It's out. So this is what we are left with. So now this become 2. Okay. Let me just say. What do you have? The sine of 60 degree. All these are having degree. Bear with me. Maybe I forgot to indicate, but you know they are all having degree sign all along from the beginning. So now we have 0, 30, 45, 60 sine. So root 3 on 2. The root of 3 on 2. So if you substitute that, you should have 2 times the root of 3 on 2 in the case of this, followed by the cos of what? Theta. This will cancel this, then you will left with the root of 3 cos theta. Hence, we can say that sine 60 plus theta sine 60 minus theta is actually equals to root 3 cos what? Theta. Well proven. I guess the concept is clear. If you have a bigger surface as you are solving a book, you can indicate the addition that you want to do, but we don't have space. I guess concept is clear. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.